Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Tim Stanivek along with Carol Masser. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. We are joined by Bloomberg cross-asset reporter Isabel Lee. What's going on?
We'll start with Bed Bath & Beyond. It's the only green one that I'm talking about. It's up nearly 6%. So ticker is BBBY. This is a home retailer company, okay? And it signed an agreement to buy tokens.com to establish an investment and personal finance platform for real estate and Tim's favorite, tokenized.
Is it really a home
liquidity.
goods company still?
You could argue it's a meme stock, but I mean, yes, the soaps there are great.
Okay.
Wait.
I know. Okay, so let's go back
Wait
to
a minute.
that.
This is the company that's been closing. I only know
Retail
because there was
locations.
one in my neighborhood. I used to drive me crazy. You can ask Jason Kelly about this because you'd walk in and you'd have to like walk a certain way to because you'd have to walk through the different departments.
Yeah, and you buy more stuff, Carol.
And you would get lost and you'd be like, and I'd circle around. But they've had, in terms of retail stores, they've had a tough time. So what?
I mean, maybe
are they
this will
doing?
revive. So the platform will integrate Bed Bath & Beyond's financial technology and blockchain business, which I know is not widely known to many people. Tokens.com will be fully owned by Bed Bath & Beyond. Platform is expected to be operational by July 1. We have Bloomberg Intelligence analyst Poonam Goyal saying that by expanding its footprint to tokenization, real-world asset finance, and digital market infrastructure, they're looking to diversify. Just putting it simply. It's up 6%, so maybe investors are
Maybe they
excited
could start
about
selling
it.
cars
Why
to
not?
diversify.
Or tokenized hand soap.
or bunny rabbits or hamsters.
All right,
I'm sorry.
I'm pushing to the next
I'm
one.
going to get in trouble for that. But I just think it's interesting. And it, I don't
It
know.
is.
Yeah.
It was surprising to me. That's why I really wanted to talk about it.
And it was a meme stock, right?
To some, yes. Okay, next one, Verra Mobility. Ticker VRRM. This is down by 5%. Earlier, it was down to its lowest intraday level since 2023. So this comes after Washington Post reported that the Trump administration is restricting cities from using road safety grants for speed cameras. So the Department of Transportation said that the Trump administration will not allow safety dollars to subsidize the purchase of speed cameras. This is interesting. As someone who doesn't drive, I mean, I always assume there's just a speed camera everywhere and you should just follow the
Yeah,
rules.
I mean, it's very political here in the U.S., like everything, I guess you could say.
Like everything.
But I'm interested to learn more about this one because it seems like street safety
Yes.
would include tools like that to deter people from going too fast.
You would think. And proposals will extend to sidewalk curbs. Further into the roadway, they're also going to be barred. So
Sorry,
that's very interesting.
I'm still on Bed Bath & Beyond.
You're still...
I was going down the history. Well, because remember, they filed for bankruptcy. They
did.
came out of it. They have gone through a bit of a transformation. Kirkland's Home has a strategic partnership, I think, with them a few years ago. So, listen, I want everyone to do well.
You just want to know where you can spend those coupons remember the coupons they used to
I
send?
use that. And it was really lovely. Like, you could buy something and be like, I forgot the coupon. They're like, don't worry, just bring back the receipt and the
Yeah,
coupons.
I wonder
that's
why.
so nice.
I wonder why it went out of business.
That is fair.
And they were really lovely about it. And they would just do all the coupons and stuff. And I will say, I bought a lot of stuff there.
All right, let's. I'm going to keep pushing us
I'm just
away from Bed Bath & Beyond.
I know.
And this
I'm
time
really
to,
sorry. I'm stuck on that.
Perhaps we could talk about Disney.
Disney,
talk about
ticker
it.
DIS, stock is down 7%. That's the biggest intraday decline since November after the company gave a tepid outlook. So it also comes as we await for the new leader who will be the new CEO. Disney said its challenges is the challenge is attracting international tourists to its domestic parks. They also warned of ongoing costs for sports rights. And we know that the bulk of their earnings were delivered by Parks and Cruises, led by a certain Josh D'Amaro, which is the leading candidate to replace Bob Iger. I just find it interesting that people go to parks, but I guess, who won't?
Oh my God, it's an experience. Listen, I went with my daughter when she was like 8 or 9. I have to say, I thought I was going to be like, oh, it's so commercial and so on and so forth. Loved it. When she turned to me and said, Mom, wouldn't it be wonderful to live in a castle? I'm like, yeah, it
I will buy
certainly would
anything
be.
for you.
No,
Yeah.
but it was a lot of fun and it was well run.
Our producer
and-
Ari a couple years ago took his
That's
daughter
right.
to Disney.
Oh, yeah.
Ari, you loved it, right?
Right?
Ari,
He
Ari
loved it.
Yeah.
And
I guess so. But to be the main revenue driver, it's impressive.
And what isn't inexpensive? But people are into experiences, and for kids, I gotta say, it was a blast.
Yeah,
Loved it.
and Evercore said results were solid, but KeyBank said that results are kind of mixed. But I mean, I don't know, stock is down by 7%.
Ross Gerber said he would like to see Disney split up, or he thinks, right, that's how you get to the real valuation, is split the company into 3.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.